Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here with the AA Ignition driver's side sun visor that fits the 2005 to 2012 Toyota Tacoma. So this is going to be the left side sun visor, also known as the driver's side. When you're doing left and right on a vehicle, it's as if you're sitting in the driver's side. So this sun visor is beige in color. It includes the sun visor mirror with the sliding cover here. One important thing about this this visor is this is for the models that did not come with a light for the vanity mirror here. So that's an important note. There's models that came with the light and without it. This is for models without the light. Aside from that, it's a OEM fabric. If we flip this over here, you have the same OEM pocket, and we have the extender that comes out here for if you're putting the sun visor off to the side to block the driver's side window rather than the windshield. Installation of this part is very straightforward. You remove the cover over here, and it's going to expose the two fasteners. There's one fastener there, the other fastener is here. When the cover is removed, you're going to undo those fasteners. This is going to come off from the headliner. You would install this sun visor in its place with the two factory screws. Once in place, you would pop the cover on here, the trim cover here that covers the screws, and your installation would be complete. Now, if you guys do have any questions about this part, if it's the right one for your vehicle, or you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be glad to help.